I think when you're looking for a partner, particularly in the technology world, and wanting to deliver a fan experience that is absolutely second to none, you've got to want to look locally for people who really understand what we are trying to build and what we as a club were trying to build as part of our stadium design. To go to Daktronics out of Brookings, South Dakota, a local partner who are simply in this marketplace, who are accessible all of the time, to be able to help us put the experience together that we have for our fans is really unique and powerful. So in working with Daktronics, we were side by side with them all the way through the design process, trying to determine what size board, how it would be placed inside of our stadium to give us the ultimate in fan experience. The position of the stadium board is right over the top of our supporters section. We think that this is a really unique position for that board to be placed. It allows us to really focus on the supporters section and really bring attention to the supporters section and how they help us create an atmosphere that is second to none in Allianz Field. The 2.5mm pixel display that we have in our stadium club allows us to offer the stadium club as a multi-purpose facility. We've got to create incredible videos. We've got to be able to show them in multiple ways inside of Allianz Field and not take away from the ultimate sort of game experience, which is watching our team play. In the end, the cutting-edge technology that Daktronics provides for us allows us to really give our fans the ultimate in a sports experience here in Allianz Field.